Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change board color in chess.com if you want to freshen up your experience and you don't want to use the default board color you're using throughout your games. It's actually quite easy. Log into your account. Once you are in, you want to choose whatever game you're playing. For this example, we're just going to click on the puzzle option, the puzzle game. There you go.
Find a way to end the game with a checkmate.
Once you're here, look towards your upper right corner over here. There's an option, there's a cogwheel icon that says settings. If you hover your mouse on it, click on it, and it's going to show you the pop-up over here. So here you can just pretty much customize everything. So the second option is going to be board. And for me, at least by default, it's going to be brown. If you click on it, there's a lot of options here that you can just choose. For example, we want to click on bubblegum. It's going to be bubblegum. If we want to click on tournament, it's going to look like that. And once you have chosen the new color of your chessboard, you can just click save. And as you can see, you are good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.